pedal, pedal, pedal. That's it. Whoop. Every time you push back, it's going to stop, remember? Ready? Push forward. Pedal. Pedal.
Put your leg down whenever we stop. Remember, it won't balance by itself. Just like your other bike, you got.
I missed it.
Yeah.
I was watching last.
You ready? Oh, make sure you hold your handlebars straight, just like your other bike. Oh.
I got all excited.
It's a little harder when you pedal and balance at the same time, isn't it? Oh, there was your brake. All right. This time, don't pedal.
I have to send a video to Olivia.
Okay. No, you keep your feet on the pedal. Just don't move. Just don't pedal. We're just gonna hold them on the pedal like you do on your balance. You ready? Okay. See if you can balance like you do your other.
Oh gosh, front camera.
Ready?